They drained the canal.
We've drained a section of the canal. So we've come magnet fishing, and yeah.
The canal's gone. Hey, at least we'll see what's in there. Always have a look, can't we? Big lorry there. Ash.
Yeah, can you get past that?
Look at that. I thought it was deeper than that.
It's meant to be. So smudged that we've not cleared for years.
So, come with Ash, magnet fishing.
Oh yes, and Ash has got some trick up his sleeve.
He's brought something to help him catch stuff. Hey, there's a boat.
I just said that.
Hey, we could have that boat. Found another boat magnet fishing.
Where was that other boat that you seen?
Romley.
Is it still there?
Yeah,
With the engine on it?
yeah.
I'm getting it.
I bet you are.
I'm going for that outboard. That outboard's probably worth a bit of money now.
Oh, there's the boat.
Let's go and check it out.
Check that boat out.
I gone and bought me a boat.
That boat's, I think that boat's seen its days.
Yeah.
It's the same type of material as that one that was set on fire. That's quite a nice boat, that. I'll quite like that.
You like this?
Yeah.
It's not going to work, is it?
Well, no, not like that. Found another boat. Might use that as a thumbnail. Not with him. There you go. I'll get the magnet out. Reckon?
Right, me and Brad have come magnet fishing, and I have got a secret weapon. It's not a magnet, it's either going to go terribly wrong or really good. Now we're fishing to see who can get the most magnetic items in weight.
Do you even have a magnet?
No,
So how's that work then?
the most weight in items. Doesn't have to be magnetic.
Full of mud here.
There.
Yeah. Like really full of mud.
Right, well
There's something there.
Brad's got his magnet. Nash has got his secret weapon. An anchor.
I told you it was an anchor. Sorry Ash, but it actually crashed. Basically Ash was just saying he's got an anchor, you hope it don't get stuck, blah 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 blah. We found nothing at that point. Oh wait, I think we found some nails and stuff like that. I can't remember. That was like earlier this morning. But yeah, it's crashed. Sorry. Finally, first catch. Seriously, I just got it. Check that out. It's even slimy.
Cheers for that. I'll have that.
You want it?
I'll take it on you.
You want it now, don't you? One.
One for Brad. Other all. Could be a big tree trunk or something. Whatever, whatever it is. Oh!
It's a You hold that, hold that.
You got it. Keep hold of it. So I won the bet, have I? Have I won the bet?
That's a piece of the bridge, yeah. That
Right, you don't want a magnet. You want?
that is a piece of the bridge. Is that mussel?
Yeah.
Didn't know you get mussels in the canal.
Want to come over off a canal boat that's been in the sea. So, who's won the bet?
Yeah, you got the heaviest. I found it but
What?
I said, Ash, there's something heavy there. Don't chuck it back in.
What are we doing with this?
Oh, we can't carry that home.
Mate, scrap on the side, wouldn't you?
I think it's a part of the bridge.
It's one of the side supports, isn't it? Right, we can't leave it there like that.
See,
can we?
we're on a bridge, you see. Look,
A big bridge.
I think it's actually a part of it. Bet there's loads of coins in that river, but we can't get close.
Is it recording?
I don't know, is there numbers going on?
Yeah. Hang on, it's not getting in the camera. Right.
And then they turn up and say,
Spade.
How do you feel that you caught a spade?
Actually, better than nothing, isn't
I
it?
think it's the biggest thing I've seen you pull out with that. You anyway.
What with the magnet?
Yeah.
That's not bad. Held it quite well, and it was dug into the mud, so. There you go. Spade. So we've got a spade, a saw, and a part of the bridge.
So far so good. Let's check the other side now.
Check the other
What
side.
we're doing with this.
Put it on the side for now. You dropped the saw. Well, we're done magnet fishing for today. Actually gotta go skate, aren't we? I don't know if I'm going to make this just one video or split it into two. I'm really far behind on my vids, so I might split it into two.
Even though we're both dressed the same.
Yeah, and I'm covered in mud. You're covered in mud, you need to clean them shoes before you go on that skateboard.
That's right, I've got the heaters on my feet and it'll dry it off.
What, knock it off?
That's right.
So half the canal is gone, empty, and the other half is
Slowly leaking.
we've pulled what we can out of it. So where should we go next time though?
I don't know. Maybe a river that we can get close to.
Yeah, Manchester Canal at Deansgate.
No, you find bodies in there.
Well, yeah, but you'll find all sorts of
watches
stuff.
and everything, wouldn't you?
Yeah,
That's not a bad shout, that, actually.
Yeah. And if you want to find a shotgun, you're more likely to find a shotgun in Manchester Canal, in the city centre.
I think that's a good idea, you know.
I think we should do it.
Think of all the jewellery that's probably been dropped off there accidentally when they pick.
Oh, gold ain't magnetic.
No, but bits that are on it, like on the back of a watch. Imagine that, you found a nice Rolex.
Yeah.
Mm.
There we go, we're going to go Manchester Canal. We'll do that next. Do you want to do it next week?
I'll be working next week. Week after, could.
Alright. Week after, we'll go magnet fishing on the
In Manchester.
Manchester city centre. Should be good. Take the boards as well.
Why?
There's a skate park in the city centre.
Really?
Depends if it's raining. Walking back to the car, I'll let you know what's happening. Just in case. See you later.